Today I want to show you how to check all leads and what types of leads we actually have in the list. So we will log in today as an admin. Go to CRM Your Leads page. Here what we can see, we can track all our potential clients and business opportunities. So here we can see all of the leads and only our leads that we added. So now we are John Doe admin, and in your leads, all leads section, we can see in this list that these clients were added by John Doe. Here we also can see the all leads list, also the new leads. New leads, these are only, as it is said, only newly added leads. Then qualified leads, these are verified and are ready for the next sales step. Prospect leads, these are early stage leads that may turn into some opportunities. Quoted clients, they have received our pricing details. Clients, this is the list of actually confirmed clients. Dead clients, these are the leads who didn't proceed with our services, and all the leads in one list here. So that's how we can check all our leads in one place. Also, as you can see here, like we have 13 leads, but only like my leads as an admin in this account we have 12. So here, so we can see that Terry Brown added one lead. We can actually it also see like in another account. This is sales. CRM Your Leads page, and you can see here that we have only one lead, this one. So Terry Brown can see that he has one lead, but actually he can see all of the leads as well.